Good morning students, welcome back our online classes Science Student Standard. Students, today we are going to continue our the third chapter, that is the materials of daily use. Students, in previous classes already I have told what are the fibers and what are the types of fibers. Once again I am saying to you students, there are the three types of fibers are there. One is fibers from the animal, that is called as animal fibers, and plants fibers, and a third one is synthetic fibers. Students, generally what are the animal fibers? Which fibers are obtained from the animals? Okay students, for example wool, okay, and a silk. So today we are going to discuss about how that wool is producing, what is the wool, and we have to discuss today. So let us discuss about that, what is the wool. Students, observe here, wool is a fibrous protein obtained from the specialization skin cells are called follicles. Students, it is one protein things. It is just this is wool is how that is made by the protein things, and it is just like what is that obtained from the specialization skin cells. This wools are just skin cells are it is specialized, and it is called as also follicles. Okay, this is a fibrous protein obtained from the specialized skin cells called follicles. Okay students, and second things, it is a fiber obtained from the animals such as sheep, goat, yak, and a lamb. So this wool where we should get, now we are getting from the animals. Animals means not all for all animals, such specialization animals are there, which are especially goat, sheep, yak, and a lamb. From their hairs and the skin of that hairs are their specializations, and it is made by that proteins generally, and that hairs we are removing by the methods. One is there, that methods which we have to will cut and remove that hairs, and will make that but different clothes, okay, or fibers. That is called as what is that specialization fibers. It is made by protein. Which one? This wool is generally made by the protein. Okay. Next, it is usually white in color, and also it is brown, and also grey. Some wools are there white, generally it is white color, but some wools are there which one generally brown as well as also grey in color. Wool is mainly derived from the sheep. So if we have to very carefully, we will get that from yak, we can get from the goat also, but almost all means maximum we are collecting the wool from generally from the sheep. There are different types of sheep are there in our India, and we are getting from the wools from the sheep. Students, like a human body, the hair skin of the sheep has two types of hair that from the fish. Students, how like our body also like human body skins, like some hairs like that is there. Some other in like the hair skin of the sheep also having some hair on the skin. Our body of some skins are on the skins of some hairs are there. Similarly, on the skin of the sheep also having some hairs, but it has the two types. Has the two types of hair that forms its fleece. Which one is we are making that wool? That is the different types. One is the fine soft under hair that are present close to the skin, and the second one the coarse beard hair. There are two types of hairs we are getting from the fleece or from the sheep. That is, one is fine soft under the hair under jo, that is one special type of soft hair it is there. That is one thing. Second one is what? Coarse beard hair. One is fine soft under hair. Another one is coarse beard hair. There are two types of hairs we are getting from the sheep by the fleece weight. Okay. So next we will discuss selective breeding. Students, whenever this the parents will think what is the time it is, how we have to collect that, how we will cut that the skin or the hair. That is, it is depends upon, and they will by that times they will remove their skin and the hair skin, and they will make the wools. But that procedure, what is that? Now when the process in which parents are selectively chosen in order to obtain the certain special features in their offspring is called selective breeding. That means they will be selective on time. Suppose September, if they will remove their in September or October after, November after, then what will happen? Now there is more coolie there, so at that time the sheep or the goat, they will face the problems. So by that way they don't want to cut that one during that winter season. So after that winter season, if they will remove their skin, hair skin, and then it is no effect again. After that 6 months after, it will be growth their hairs. This procedure or this process is called as, what is that? Breeding. What is that? Breeding. Breeding means the process in which parents means those who are that keeping that sheep or goats, parents are selectively chosen in the order to obtain certain special feature in their offspring. He is called selective breeding. Selective breeding means which times they want to remove their skins and what is the durations and how it is procedure. Okay students, so these are the things about the wools, and in next class we will see other things. Okay, thank you all.